All right, welcome back. Let's see how you did with number 4. So, as always, our plan is to distribute anything we need to, then combine like terms. So let's check it out. In number 4, I would see that I need to distribute this 4 to everything inside this set of parentheses. I see a subtraction sign in there, so maybe just to start things off, make it an addition sign so I don't have to really worry about it in the future. Then I'm going to go through and multiply. 4 times 3x is 12x. And 4 times negative 5 is negative 20. And then I still have to add that 3x in that I haven't used yet. I love changing everything to adding the opposite because now I have a full addition problem and I can move those terms around using the commutative property any way I want. So I'm going to put the x's together, 12x plus 3x, and that negative 20 is going to be by itself because it's a constant. Then I'll add together my 12x and my 3x and get 15x plus negative 20. And then I could leave this as my final answer, but I'm going to rewrite it as 15x minus 20 so that I don't have two signs going on, an adding and a subtract. I just have one. So this would be my final answer, but the one above is also correct if you had that. Our last problem here looks long and looks complicated, but we have all the tools that we need to figure it out. So browsing through here, I see that I'm going to multiply 3 by stuff in one set of parentheses, and I also need to double everything in this set of parentheses. And I'll combine any like terms I have at the end. Just so that I stay organized, I don't lose my negative signs, I'm going to change all of these subtraction signs to adding the opposite. Once I've done that, I'm ready to distribute. So I know that this 3 is applied to everything inside of these parentheses, all of the pieces. Even though there are 3 terms inside of here, we're going to bring that 3 to all of them. So I'll do 3 times 2x is 6x. 3 times 3y is 9y. And 3 times negative 5 is negative 15. Because I changed everything to addition, I know the only symbol I have to write in between is an addition sign, so it helps to keep me organized. Then I'm going to go through with that second set of parentheses over here. So that too needs to apply to the x and to the negative 2y. So 2 times x. Oh, right, there's a 1 in front of this x, so that would be 2 times 1 is 2 x's. And 2 times negative 2y, well, 2 times negative 2 is negative 4y. I've done all of my distributing. I've done all of the multiplication I should in this problem. So now I'm going to go through and find my like terms. So I have a group of x's, which I'll write next to each other, 6x plus 2x. And I can move them wherever I want because this problem only has addition. I also have a group of y's. And when I find those y's, I'm going to make sure I include that this one is negative 4y. And then the last thing I have is negative 15. I've grouped together all of my terms, so now I can add them. 6x and 2x is 8x. 9y and negative 4y. 9 plus negative 4, there's a battle, the positives win. I have 5y. And then plus negative 15. This is a great answer. I can totally stop here. But because I see I have adding a negative, I'm just going to choose to make that subtraction again. So my final answer is 8x plus 5y minus 15. If you have any questions on any of the problems that we've done, know that you can always go back and rewind this video to watch those sections again. You can also ask any adult in the room or your friends around you if they understood that part of the video better and maybe they could explain it to you. Thanks for watching.